Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this already bitmap clip art of a wine glass, and they're having trouble uh, getting it even and getting rid of some of the nodes. You can see this is a result that it was touching something outside the photograph. I love doing it this way. I've hit P, put it in the center of the page, got my shape tool. I'm going to just take away some nodes until it changes the shape of the glass. And even if it does, you can always reshape it. And you'll notice I'm just doing half the glass. In this particular case, I went a little bit too far maybe with that. So we'll leave that center node. But the more nodes or the least amount of nodes you have, the better. And that looks really pretty good. I'm going to hit delete, and it still looks good. So we got one more node we could delete. It changed a little bit, but you can always change it kind of back and do whatever you want. Then you've done this. There's no human possibly way you could reduplicate this. So what I like to do is take a 2-point line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular, and hit P and put it in the center of the page. And if you've watched enough of my videos, you've seen me do this before, but I thought I'd help them on this wine glass. I'm going to get the virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to delete that side of the glass. Now I can actually get rid of my line. And with our object origin in the center, I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. Then I'm going to mirror it. And see what I did? We need to have the origin over there. And then and it doesn't really matter. You could, let's go back. You could have it in the center and not mess with this and mirror it. Well, I need to make a duplicate. Control D and mirror it. There's no problem because you could take with your pick tool, you can take that till you get that 4 X's and just move it over. You might have some left over in the middle like this, but not really. So let's just do it the way you really should do it. Let's make sure there's not but one copy. There's 2 copies. We're still in the middle. So I'm going to Control D. I'm going to put my origin to the left middle node, and I'm going to mirror it. Now I'm going to take our friend, the Smart Fill tool, and fill it in. I'm going to take my Smart Fill out of the way, left click, right click, and now you have a perfect glass that's equal. And if you look at the nodes, the nodes are in the exact same spot as the original. We could take out this node now and take out this node now. They're not needed. That was where the glass was formed. And you could always, change this or double check your deal by Control D and make a duplicate, and then mirror it side to side. Well, we have to put our origin back in the center and then mirror it, and it'll be right on top of each other so you know you're dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.